Hey guys, if you're looking for a self-publishing seminar, um, I want to highly recommend this self-publishing seminar I discovered last year. Believe it or not, it's been going on for years, but I discovered it only last year, uh, just on the internet, and it is 20 Books Vegas, 20 Books to Vegas. Okay, at 20booksvegas.com. Highly recommended. I went there last year. It was my first event. It was an amazing event. It was an amazing event where I was able to like just be introduced to this whole industry as a whole. I didn't know it was that big. I didn't know there was thousands of authors and mostly authors and writers. This is mostly from what I've seen, mostly fiction writers per se, but still 2,000 plus writers, authors, publishers, even nonfiction, believe it or not, and all in one place for a whole week. And so it was an incredible, powerful event. And believe it or not, I signed up at the last minute last night, because I wanted to really go, but there was just situations like I was thinking like maybe I'll go next year, but I thought about it and I realized, you know what? If I didn't go this year, at least, um, I would probably like regret it, and I'll probably like, I don't want to have that feeling for a whole year until next year. Like, and even though if I may not have the best experience, I may not be prepared myself to go there and network to the fullest potential, or whatever, you know, or whatever. If I don't, I think it's still worth going there just to have fun, and just to have fun, but not just to have fun, but even if I just learn one lesson, hopefully I'm just looking for one lesson to apply for my business minimum, but definitely more. For me, like, I have certain things that I want to focus on, and I went through as a schedule. This is what I recommend if you're doing this. I went last year. First time I went last year, I just went and I didn't really look at everything, and I just went, and it was a great first experience, as a first year. But this year, I want to be a little bit more focused and go really and learn as much as I can, and most importantly, afterwards, implement it and take action. So this is check it out. It's November 14th to 18th, 2022, as Bally's. You need that um I think they call it swag to enter and so forth. Okay, the cost is normally $299.99, which is greatly affordable if you purchase it before a certain date, though. Okay, before May 31st, which I didn't do. Unfortunately, it's best to buy in January, I will say, because if you get it, I heard they give you free 5 Ingram Spark codes every single month, but it's best to buy January because they're going to give it throughout the entire year. But if you join late, unfortunately, you're only going to get it from when you join. Um, $3.99 after from September 1st to the event, which is what I pay for. Okay, and I'm also paying for a hotel, so it is more than that for the whole cost. To be honest, especially the most cost is mainly the hotel, but I just thought about a long run. I I think it's important, even if I don't learn a secret per se. Just going there is like, I realized the most important thing was it's kind of being accountable to yourself. You know, as an author or publisher, whatever your place is right now. And I feel like if I go there, it's like me being accountable to myself as a publisher, because I get reminded, oh my goodness, there's like people out there at way bigger, levels. I've seen, um, from the group, people generating, believe it or not, up to 6 figures a month. Okay, not a year, in the publishing world. Sure, there are mainly majority of them are fiction, But still, even at nonfiction, I think there's ways to do it. And I've seen people, even nonfiction, do really well. Six figures, I believe. Yeah. So, but different ways, So, I think it's well worth it. Highly recommended. Believe it or not, I discovered it last year. And the minute I discovered it, it was like a month later, the event happened. I was like, I'm going to go check it out. You know, that's why I wasn't super prepared, but I really recommend it. Okay. I'm not going to show all the details here, but basically, go here and they have a video here. And for those of you who want to know where's the button to purchase, it's very long. Yeah, I just want to show the button to purchase. Yeah, you go through it all and you'll show just as a quick overview. Anyways, this is so much. Where's the button to? Anyhow, yeah. Let me just show you. Right, I think yeah, it's this one. Yeah, you just click on that button, and it'll go to a form to fill out, and you can go check it out. Whoops, not that one. Yeah, yeah, something like that. You can go fill it out and check it out, and then afterwards you can pay. Okay, it'll lead to a PayPal page, I believe, and you'll pay. So that's a quick overview and review of 20 books to Vegas. The event, okay? The group is another thing. The cool thing is that the event is once a year, but the group is all year round. It's like I believe they're reaching almost I don't know how much is like 50,000 people, 60,000 people overall right now, or something like that, reaching to 100,000 authors and publishers out there in the group. So it's kind of like I feel like it's yeah, you got to request to the group and they'll accept you person by person, I believe. But right now, I believe they are busy, whatnot, because of the event for sure. I heard. But anyhow, um, great place to be part of a community in the publishing world. You are independent, but you're alongside other independent authors and publishers out there. It's not like you got to do the same thing, but you're along, and there's the cool thing about this event, which is different than most events, it's not like one speaker and everyone listens to that one speaker. No, there's like I don't know how many, but it almost feels like there's 30 to 50 speakers going at the same time every hour. Okay, from like 9 o'clock till 5 or 3 or something like that every day for 5 days, from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. But the majority of the teaching is really Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Okay. But Monday and Friday are more relaxed days, kind of vendor events, checking out books and stuff. But the main teachers are Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays. And I highly recommend, if you are going, what I learned from the first year, last time I went, last year, was look at the schedule first. Okay. And first and foremost, and focus on, like, circle the ones or write down the ones that are most applicable for you, that you want to learn and that you can really implement in your business, and or it's something that you really want to know that are most priorities. Focus on those and go to those. Don't just go there and be like, oh, what's today right now. I'm sure it's going to be updated, but try to look at the schedule and be prepared to which ones to go. Boom, 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 boom. That's what I would do. I learned from first year. I didn't do first year. So that's just a quick tip that I want to share with you if you are going, and be prepared. And yeah, and I'm going to do my best. I met some cool people there, got to hang out with them, talk to them, and I'm looking forward to meeting people. If you are going, let me know. If you see me, just say hello and we'll connect and we'll talk about publishing business for a minute, okay? And I guess we'll go from there, okay? So thanks for watching the video. And if you are a part of my publisher system course, okay, at publishersystem.com, you're from my course, definitely reach out to me if you are going, okay? So we can connect. It's no guarantees, but if you are part of my publisher system course, then we can connect, okay? If you reach out, okay? I gotta go. Thanks for watching the video. I gotta go. If you want to learn more, check out my free newsletter, publishersystem.com. Put your name and email address, and check out my online course, publishersystem.com, okay? Or check out my ClickFunnels version right here. It's the same thing. And opt in. Okay? Thanks for watching the video. I gotta go. I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.